Every summer, thousands of workers and residents across the UAE and the Middle East are exposed to extreme temperatures that can exceed 50 degrees Celsius. Under these harsh conditions, the human body can quickly lose fluids through sweating, making it difficult to maintain a safe body temperature. Construction workers, delivery riders, security guards, landscapers, maintenance personnel, drivers, and even residents carrying out everyday activities are all vulnerable to the dangers of extreme heat. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures can lead to dehydration, heat exhaustion, and, in severe cases, heat stroke, a life-threatening medical emergency that requires immediate attention. What begins as simple thirst or mild discomfort can rapidly progress into dizziness, headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, confusion, loss of consciousness, and even death if proper precautions are not taken. Every year, heat-related illnesses affect countless people who underestimate the dangers of working or spending extended periods outdoors during the hottest hours of the day. The good news is that heat-related illnesses are preventable. By staying hydrated, taking regular rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned areas, wearing appropriate protective clothing, and recognizing the early warning signs of heat stress, lives can be saved. Employers, supervisors, workers, and families all share the responsibility of preventing heat-related incidents. Awareness, preparation, and quick action can make the difference between a safe day and a medical emergency. Remember, heat stress can happen to anyone. Protect yourself, protect your coworkers, and protect your loved ones. Beat the heat, stay safe, and make summer safety a priority for everyone.